sometimes just slow you down. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like. Find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a line. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. Be with friends, who can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. Figure every doubt. You're silently scared that you're figuring it out. I'll make you look like I'm losing. Won't bother hiding when I'm losing. And when they wanna think you're wounded, that's your chance to be ruthless.
Itu dia batasnya tu. Maju dia. Nilainya adalah I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb. And I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall right on my face and I swear I won't get back up. Cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to keep you on the down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna figure every doubt. You're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing. Won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Enjoy your life. They'll try to keep you on the down. They wanna rise up while you drown.